Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tech products. Today we'll be comparing two of the best NETGEAR switches in the market. So if you're in the market for a new switch, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel if you find our reviews helpful. Both switches are competitively priced, but the 5-port switch is slightly more expensive at $32 compared to the 8-port switch, which is priced at $27. The $3 difference might not be a big deal for most buyers, but it's worth considering the extra features you can get with the 8-port switch. As the name suggests, the 5-port switch has 5 Gigabit Ethernet ports, while the 8-port switch has 8 Gigabit Ethernet ports. If you have more devices to connect, the 8-port switch would be a better choice for you. However, for smaller setups, the 5-port switch should be just fine. Both switches have a plug-and-play setup with no software to install or configuration needed. However, the 8-port switch comes with Plus software that offers basic managed capabilities to configure, secure, and monitor your network. This gives you more control over your network, and it's worth considering if you need those extra features. The 5-port switch comes with a lifetime limited hardware warranty, next business day replacement, and 24/7 chat with a NETGEAR expert. On the other hand, the 8-port switch has an industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty. Both switches have excellent support options, but the 5-port switch offers more coverage for your investment. Both switches have an energy-efficient design compliant with IEEE 802.3s, which means they are good for the environment and can save you some money on your monthly energy bill. Additionally, both switches operate silently, which makes them ideal for noise-sensitive environments such as home offices or classrooms. That wraps up our comparison of these two fantastic NETGEAR switches. We hope this review was helpful in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.